What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Thank you guys for watching. You have subscribed. Please subscribe down below right here. So this video is a paid sponsorship by, I'm pronouncing it wrong, AUXITO or AUXITO. I apologize, but they sent me on this portable air pump to review. So I already opened it and I charged it. It came with 85% battery life, but I charged it to 100%. So let's open it up. So you little tips right here. You get their user manual. Please read the user manual. We have this right there, and then we have the pump. So here's the pump, how it is. It is handheld. So you have your light, your pressure to raise it, your power, your pressure to lower it, and to go through the settings. Short press, it has everything right here, and plus the manual. So let's move the box. What else is in the box? Nothing on the bottom. To the side, we'll place this down right here. Let's open this up and see what we got. Nothing else in the box. Right here. This goes to this side right here. Twist it on. Sorry, I was off the camera. I apologize. So it's on. This goes to your tire. It came with a basketball pump and other attachments that you may need. The carrying case. Your car charger to charge it up. And to power it on when you're pumping with your car on. We'll do that test too. And then your cell phone test. So let's see. We'll do it after. So here's what comes in the box. Pump, attachments, cigarette lighter, charger, and then your USB to Type-C. Carry-on bag. Cool. So it is portable. Look how small it is. All right, let's go test it out. Take that off. Turn it on. All right, so it's for car mode. As you can see, 36 psi. Let's raise it or lower it to 35 psi for car mode. Let's go connect it. All right, so we're going to check the psi with my little gauge here. So it's under like 14 psi. It says 1, 2, 3. Cool, it's on. Set for car mode. 35 psi, 100% battery. I love that it says it's not just the bars, but let's see how much psi the tire has. Sorry for that, coughing. Come on. So it says 11 psi. All right, got my stopwatch right here. Power button, 1, 2, 3. fill up 35 psi. It took 10 minutes and 47 seconds. Give or take the speed of my thumb hitting the timer. That is a long time for this portable air pump. It is so hot from it vibrating on the floor. It's scratched up already, but the vents are on the side. But wow. Okay, let's go do the front, but the front is going to be connected to the AC outlet. So let's see what the car is at actually. So the pump's at 35 psi. Let's see what this is. It's above 35. It's like 38. So maybe. Oh yeah. Interesting. So let's see. Actually, let's zoom out. Okay. Let's see what the PSI says. So it says 34. So I don't know how accurate it is now because it works so much, but that's doable. Let's put the cap back on. Let's go to the front. All right, so we have the AC outlet connected to the car. It says 40% right here. Car mode, 35 PSI. On the bottom right here, connected in. It disappears. So I guess it's charging it. And then let's see what the PSI is for the car. So back to 0. Like 15 or 14 PSI. Let's get this closer. Says 11 psi, and then we're gonna restart the timer. Switch hands on a count of 3. 1, 2, 3. So it stopped on us. It says error. So it didn't finish pumping up the car. Interesting, probably overheated. But let me turn off my car. 1 second. That is very interesting. So I think it was at 25 psi. But so my honest review of this is that you guys, for your money, you can get a better one. It is so hot. Okay. Let's see. It's at 30 psi or 29, but let me turn it off. Okay, still have So it says 4 psi right now when nothing's connected, and we cycle through everything. Yeah, my honest review, guys, don't buy it. Don't. Let's see if the light works. Yeah. You have different settings. Bicycle, motorcycle, or moped, basketball, soccer. So yeah. So, car charger. If the battery is not enough to inflate, you can use the car charger. The steps are start the car, and so the charger did. Connect the car charger with an inflator at the bottom of the machine did. So yeah, you're able to do that. But yeah. So pretty much, guys, it's up to you if you guys want to buy it. But my honest review is no. There's other brands out there. I'm not going to mention them in this video because this company sent this product out to me, and I don't want to mention another brand. But there are other brands out there. Maybe this was default. I don't know. But it turned off. Now I have to pump up the rest of the car with my other pump. But yeah. Thank you guys for watching. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Comment down below what I did wrong or did I miss something. But yeah. Thank you guys for watching.